Hey there everyone. Today we're doing a little bit of a different format on the channel. We're going to test this 2017 Infiniti QX70 from 0 to 60 and do some 1/8 mile testing. See how quick it is. We're not going to do the full review, it's just going to be quick due to time constraints today. So I just want to see how this car drives, performs. We're going to try to make it nice and short and quick and straight to the point. Magnificent car. We had one back in the family. Ours was a 2011 FX35. And here, of course, we have the back seat. Everything is very nice, comfortable. Feels magnificent to be here. All the materials feel wonderful. I've done a lot of these cars on my channel, so they do drive pretty much the same beside the engine differences. So if you want to watch my FX35, FX50 videos, go to those. I'll attach the links. There's plenty of them that I have. That's why in today's drive we'll just focus on the acceleration. Nice and big trunk, plenty of space, power liftgate. Let's also fire her up. Vroom, starts right up. Let's go look at that 3.7 liter. It's got 328 horsepower. It's made it to the 7-speed auto. Same powertrain as the G37. This one right here is the base model, so no navigation, no 360 camera, no ventilated seats. The camera quality here is unfortunately not the best in the base model. Glove box. This is all really nice. The materials do feel phenomenal in the FX. Super high quality. Everything is soft to touch. And I just love this dashboard. Amazing. All right, well, let's go get started. We're gonna do our horn test, wiper test. As usual, we're gonna turn off the AC. All right. Nice firm pedal. Haha. Lovely. We got our race box ready. Now, surprisingly, I do like the sound of the 3.5 liter more than this car. I think it's just, it's not as interesting on the sound as the G35 per se. I gotta say, I do love the pedal, the brakes, just the hood gives such nice like vibes, just the feeling. Gosh, this puts a smile on my face. What a rev happy car. It just loves to rev out. Rides beautifully over bumps with these 18-inch wheels. Super nice. Alright, let's get everything set up and ready to go. We're going to do probably 1 or 2 runs and then we'll summarize the performance. Let's see our times. 0 to 60 came in 6.12 valid. 0 to 62 in 6.48. 1/8 mile in 9.25 at 77.67. And the 40 to 80 in 6.25. So there you go. Really, really impressive times. Definitely, this car surprised us, especially given the headwind today and the weather. It's like 70 degrees. So definitely not the best weather for doing runs. But 6.1 valid, that is incredible. Haha. Oh, what a lovely beast this is. I mean, I love this car. Surprisingly, this was a great powertrain. I still, like I said, I do kind of like the FX35 sound a little bit more, but the performance here is good, very good. Can definitely move. Do a quick U-turn here. All right, let's do a quick U-turn here. No cars. All right, let's do one more quick acceleration. Oh, just the way she revs out. I love this. I love this. Whew. This is awesome. This is awesome. Of course, this was a lot downhill by great amounts, but still amazing. And we're gonna wrap all of this up with one more 0 to 60 test, and then that's it. That is going to be the end of our test drive for today. Also, speedometer accuracy, surprisingly good. So it's 69, you see 69. The accuracy is incredible. Seriously, what a great car. I've always loved these FXs. One of my favorites. Okay, let's do one more run here real quick. This is going to be a little bit, I think, uphill, but that's okay. All right. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. It starts out so good. And it just spins out. Alrighty. Perfect. We got it. So 0 to 60 in 6.16 valid, uphill. Everything is perfect. 6.16 here as well. And then 0 to 62 in 6.52. 40 to 80, 6.56. And the 1/8 mile, 9.08 at 76.77. And that was uphill, 0.10%. So almost a perfect straight. So there you go. There you have the performance of this car. I hope you all enjoyed it and had fun. So like I said, we did 5.94 with a 1-foot rollout and 6.16 just the raw time. So this summarizes our performance of the QX70.